are three objects which represent the fundamentals of analog photography. We have the original, which is a leaf. We have a cyanotype photograph. What happened was that I took some photocopying paper, applied the emulsion to it, placed the leaf on that, exposed it to sunlight and developed it. I then applied oil to the paper to make it transparent. So this now is the negative. I put it in the sleeve because the oil does come off and will go onto other paper, so it's to protect that. I then did the same thing with this piece of paper. I applied the emulsion. I then placed the negative on top of the paper and exposed it to sunlight and developed it in the same way. And you'll see, so now we have the original, the negative and the positive. And you'll see the positive is dark, just like the original.